These are our overhead style pulling grips used for pulling in heavy transmission lines overhead, large conductors. These are the grips you go to when you need a strong, dependable, robust grip. Our first one is our HDFE model, or heavy duty flex eye model. It features a braided eye, which collapses down, Cobon plastic boots to protect the end of your conductor, a long mesh length, and a heavier gauge wire for strength. Our OH grip, which features a reinforced thimble eye, plastic boots to protect the end of the conductor, and a long mesh length. Lastly, we have our strongest grip we make, which is our WRC series. It is a reverse woven grip. It does not have the copper tabs on the end. It has the aluminum shoulders to protect your conductor, 2 crimps for strength, and a flexible pulling eye. All these will be mated up with your ball bearing swivels to pull in your conductor. When you need a strong grip, these are the grips that you go to. They're really strong and robust and dependable. You'll want to inspect these after each use and before each use.
Hello, my name's Andy Lewis, president of Lewis Manufacturing Company located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. We are a 4th-generation family business started in 1936. We manufacture quality American-made pulling grips, swivels, and canvas products for the utility industry. Thank you for visiting our virtual trade show. This trade show is set up to further the education of our customers and end users with the aspects of all of our products. We have a series of videos set up in a trade show format with our booth set up as we would in any regular trade show. Thank you very much.